So a few days ago, I signed up for a LinkedIn Sales Navigator account in order to build lead lists for cold email campaigns. But soon, I found out that Sales Navigator does not actually provide the email addresses of people. Now, after a lot of experimentation and research inside communities, I came across a tool which makes it possible to quickly find the email addresses of Sales Navigator leads and generate a list which is ready for cold outreach. Here's how to use it. First, you need to create an account with Find Email. You can find the link in the description below this video. This is an email finder software used by agencies and sales professionals to get valid and verified business email addresses. There is a free trial, so you can get 10 free credits to experiment with, and I will explain how credits work later in this video. Once you're logged in, you want to open this Scrape Sales Navigator page, and then click on this link here to install the Chrome extension, which will allow you to scrape your Sales Navigator list. So now I'm going to go over to Sales Navigator. I'm going to refresh the page. And if I go up here to my Chrome extensions, you can see that the Find Email Chrome extension has been installed. So now when I click on this, it will ask me to enter an API key. Now what you want to do now is go back to your Find Email account. So I'll go back here. Go to the integrations page. Click Access API. And then here you want to create a new API token. You can call it anything you like. For example, Chrome extension. Create. Now this will give you a unique token. You want to select this, copy it, and then go back to Sales Navigator, open up the Find Email Chrome extension, and paste it here. And then click Sign In. And now the Chrome extension will be connected to your Find Email account. Now the next step is to refresh your Sales Navigator page. And you should now be able to see a new button here, which says Export to CSV. That's how you know that you have successfully installed the Chrome extension and you have linked it to your Find Email account. Next, you want to perform your lead search as normal with all the conditions that you want your leads to meet. And once you're ready, you can click the Export to CSV button to initiate the email finding process. Now, once you click on this, a pop-up will appear, and here you want to enter how many people you would like to export. In my example, I would just export 10 people, and I would just click Export CSV to begin the process. What Find Email will do now is search for the business email address of each person on the list based on their first name, their last name, and the company they work at. It will only charge you a credit when it finds an email that is valid and verified, which makes the tool very reliable and cost-effective compared to other third-party solutions that you might have come across. Once the process is complete, you will see a button here which you can click to save the CSV file to your computer. When you open the file, you will see a list of all the contacts that were exported, and for each contact you will have the LinkedIn URL, their first name, their last name, the email that it found, the job title, the company, and a lot more information about each contact that you can use as part of your outreach. If you don't have a spreadsheet software to open the CSV file on your computer, that's totally fine. You can still import it to a Google Sheet and view it there. Keep in mind that for some of the people on your list, the tool might not give you an email address. This might happen for a few reasons. Reason number one, the tool did not find the business email of the person, possibly because they already left the company they were working at, or their email address does not contain part of their first name or last name. Reason number two, the email address was found, but it was invalid or unreachable, meaning that reaching out to them would actually be risky and it could hurt your deliverability. As mentioned earlier, you only get charged the credit for a valid and verified email address. So as you can see in my example, I gave the tool a list of 10 people and it only found 7 email addresses. Therefore, I got charged 7 credits. And that's it. That's how you get the email addresses of your LinkedIn Sales Navigator lead list in just a few minutes. Keep in mind that this tool can also be integrated with Apollo.io and any other app via API connection or a Zapier workflow. You can also use it to manually get the email of a person by entering their first name and last name and the domain of the company they work at. So that's my recommended solution. If you want to try it out, click the link below this video to sign up for a free trial. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to help you out. With that said, I hope you found this video valuable. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.